he criticizes me. He does not agree with me on all fours, all the time. Pero nasabi niya, hindi pwede yan. And the administration, when you talk about administration, yun yung humahawak sa executive department. Hindi naman binibira, but he's very kind of just honest and sinasabi ang totoo. Alam mo kung sinong totoo? Si Sani Angara. Pag yun sa taxi, we cannot, alam mo bakit? May I just be, kung makaya, upo kayo ng mga alas 2 ng madaling araw, okay. Uwi na tayo. There is not